I don't know if you guessed, but we are doing story time for our episode this week because it is the Christmas season. I have composed a poem based on "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." And I am going to read that for you now as part of your Christmas gift from the guys here at Autorestomod. Studio B stood quiet, not an electron did stir, not a clock could we run, no tool would go whir. Power cords and lights we would drag from Studio A, but it wasn't enough to save the day. Sunglasses were needed to work in the light. Cam said to me, "This just isn't right." The walls where the meter box should be was bare, and Andrew said, "Shouldn't there be power coming in there?" Cam looked at me and said with a smirk, "You should live in the country." I said, "Don't be a jerk." Logan stood in the mall where the garage door should be, shrugged his shoulders and said, "Don't blame me." Jackson was playing chess on his phone. "I need some money for a bow," I heard him moan. A good boy he's been, mostly it seems, but bows are expensive, so in your dreams! A little bit of drama there. When I'm from the house, I heard such a racket. The twins were yelling, "That's our gift basket!" With Nolan, they fought for hours on end. To the naughty list with them, I think I will send. But cold-hearted I'm not, and good boys they can be, so this year we'll gift them more than the charcoal. But next year, we'll see. The house is beautiful, all Christmased out. Diana was busy, there is no doubt. With tree all dressed and stuffed set with care, she gave out with a shout, "Don't make a mess in there!" So presents we will open with excitement all about, but the greatest gift we have is that you folks watch us week in and week out. Thanks for watching our show on the weekly. If you do, when you catch us when you can, that's great also. We appreciate your viewership here at Autorestomod and over at Manic Mechanic. I just don't have a shirt that has both logos on it. It's an honor to do this, and I enjoy any interaction I have with you guys. To my Patreon folks, the list is rolling next to me here. You guys are awesome for supporting us on the monthly with donations that help feed Andrew. He's a poor, starving artist with, bread and water budget. Right now it's bread and half a piece of bread and water or something. Anyway, Andrew, he's a trooper. He comes in here every week. He's been helping so much. Without him, the building project would be even less far along as it is now, because Andrew's coming in here and he's just knocking it out of the park every week. I am really proud of him. The rest of the crew, every Saturday and other days when I need them, they're there to help. These guys are amazing. From Logan to Jackson to the twins, and even Nolan, the little guy, steps in every once in a while and does stuff with us. Deanna for putting up with all that we do and feeding us on Saturdays. Letting us wreck the oven with pizzas. Huge list of people that I want to thank. And like I said, above all, we want to thank you, because without you, this would not be possible. I would probably be asking people if they wanted fries with that, because I'd be working at McDonald's or something. Hopefully I'd be a manager, but I don't know. I'm not really manager material, I don't guess. Anyway, you guys, have a great Merry Christmas. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you after the new year. We're going to be taking New Year's weekend off, so the next weekend after that we'll start back filming. You'll see episodes from us starting on through there through the rest of 2022. Lots of cool things coming. Be sure to stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. We're actually going to do a video on subscribing to the channel, because quite frankly, I don't even know, notifications really only apply on YouTube now. They're not doing emails, although some of our viewers are saying they're getting emails. Some of our viewers are saying they're not getting emails. Some people are, I don't know. So we're going to do a video specifically on what's going on with that from our perspective, telling you guys exactly how you can view your notifications from us on YouTube, because they say they're getting rid of the email system. I don't know. In any case, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever other holidays. I don't have a memory for all of them, but let's just say Happy Holidays. For my Christian brothers and sisters, Merry Christmas. You guys have a great rest of your year. We'll see you in 2022. Man, it's flying by. I got to go and buy some Christmas gifts. We've only got like 3 days left I don't even have anything wrapped. Now I've made myself depressed right before Christmas. Well, I guess there's nothing but to just go do it.